This is the 200K portfolio live trades on the day. Gap fill master and mirror were profitable, capturing that open bid on the gap down. These are on the U symbol, the September symbol. I need to update these for tomorrow's trade. Didn't have a chance to trade December, but I see that from what I'm seeing, the trades match. And so we just need to change that U to a Z if you haven't yet for the rollover. And so plus, these are 4 contract trades, so plus 700 divided by 4, and then plus 2,700 divided by 4 there, and minus 750 on this trade on 4 contracts, and 60-minute breakout minus 2,800, the challenging ES strategy lately, hanging up here near the highs, continuously pretending like it's going to break out and then does not. And sometimes I get this, the minimize for the window disappears and I have to close the workspace and reopening. So I'm going to pause the video, close the workspace and reopen it. So now it's back, minimizing that, and that was 60-minute breakout. We added 60-minute breakout short to this portfolio, so that's good, up about 3,500 on 4 contracts. So actually that would be 3,900. So it's got a $1,000 profit target with $25 slippage and commission factor. And then after hours, minus 2,800. And so this is what I'm talking about, the night trader strategies, after hours, VIX OC have all underperformed. There's been a uncanny ability in those strategies for there to be an overnight, for the market to be strong overnight in a bull market, and we're not seeing that lately. So it's a deviation from the norm, and you have to wonder if that's a change in trend. Along with September's weakness, I didn't mean to get into a discussion on the market direction, but it's an observation that you can make where if your normal bullish strategies are not performing well and the market hasn't gone down yet, it could be a stealth indicator of weakness, because there's typically a bid during certain times of the night based on certain patterns in the market that have just been uncanny and have been there during bull markets that are not there right now. They're a little weaker, and we're cyclically weaker, and we're higher at price. So could be a good time to capture a big move down with a put option to hedge your any long-term exposure you have in the market. In Q, EVP1 stopped out on the day. 60-minute breakout down on the day, minus 2,100 on 4 contracts, minus 1,420 on 60-minute breakout B. And we had, those are the only 3 NASDAQ strategies. Gold, we had Asia Gold 4 short, minus 2,100 on 4 contracts. Silver, no trades. Copper, plus 1,450. It's kind of weird. Trade station 9.5. I can't see the time exit arrow on this. I don't know if I need to close my workspace and reopen it. Crude oil, like I said, we had in the other video, just a really extreme day in crude oil without any, I didn't see any news events that would cause this. I don't know if weekly inventories came out, potentially on Thursday after a holiday instead of Wednesday, but came up in here to 70, hit resistance, I guess, sold off, came back, hit resistance again, sold off. So you don't usually see that many legs up and down in crude oil that wide, over around $2 handle almost on some of these moves, approaching that $2 handle in crude oil up and down and up and down. So Cobra Crude conservative and aggressive lost on this, while Gap Fill Fade Crude captured a nice short trade. Hated to see the market rally there at the last minute. It was at these lower levels, and then right before we got out, boom, it rallied. So it would have been helpful for it to stay down a little bit. But it's the kind of market we're in, and so that's crude oil. Natural gas, we captured this nice natural gas trade on the day, up above 5, the handle on this. And so we're down today on the no trades in soybeans. We're down today on the 50K portfolio by about $1,200 in real trading. We phased into this. We got into some of these stock index trades at better prices. We got into NQ breakouts at better prices down here. We're getting in down here, and on after hours we got in at better prices as well. So have to reconcile and look at the difference in the portfolio calculator to see how that compares. But live trading is around down $1,200 or $1,300 on the day. Still waiting for that bounce. We've had this drawdown, and we rotated into a portfolio that's also at a worst case drawdown. So we're looking for a big spike, big move. We have a 60-minute breakout short now in the ES to help us on the short side. We have a more conservative night trader, VSD, to take less long trades at night. So we made some incremental changes. We've got these NQ strategies that catch counter trend rallies. They're long only, but this one's long short, EVP1. 60-minute breakouts are long only, but they can catch big moves in a bear market on counter trend rallies. So looking forward to some good price action at some point. We continue to look for counter trend strategies, more counter trend approaches as well. Copper is a good place to get in. It's been on a losing streak, and so I like adding copper right here. I do anticipate higher inflation. We see that in natural gas, up above 5 right now. I think crude oil is being suppressed, artificially suppressed in price right now. But I think it'll be higher at the end of the year. So we'll see though. It could be wrong. We're just trading our short-term algos on this. So this is the 200K trades on the day. The 50K trades. Let's go over those as well. 50K portfolio trade. One trade today on Cobra Crude aggressive, so minus 725 on that. Cobra Crude conservative, excuse me, minus 725 per contract. There's 6 contracts there traded on the 50K portfolio. So down on the day, and those are the trades on the day. One trading day left in this holiday shortened week. Looking forward to a full week next week. I prefer 5-day weeks instead of 4-day weeks. And so looking forward to that and potentially a strong close to the week tomorrow.